This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the phone and removing the SIM tray. This prevents shorts and eases handling. Once done, lay an ESD mat and ground yourself to avoid static damage. Use a suction cup and plastic pick at a labeled seam and slowly heat the adhesive to soften it. This reduces stress on the frame. Make sure to keep screws organized by location as you remove them so reassembly is straightforward and you don't mix lengths. After opening, disconnect the battery first to cut power and prevent shorts. Then, carefully lift shielding and unseat the display and digitizer flex connectors. Use a plastic spudger and gentle levering so you don't tear the ribbon cables. Once connectors are free, remove any midframe or brackets holding the LCD assembly. If you are separating glass from the LCD, heat evenly and score lightly, because uneven force will crack the LCD. If replacing, place the new LCD assembly in the frame, align the connectors and press them into their sockets. Make sure flat cables are fully seated. Reconnect components in reverse order but leave the back cover unsealed, then power on to test touch response, color accuracy, dead pixels, and proximity sensor. Once tests pass, power off, apply fresh adhesive strips, and close the device, clamping gently until the adhesive sets. If something fails, power down and reseat connectors. Loose contacts are the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.